Right, the screen is being recorded. So now I'll try the symmetric and encryption method. So first, I've already installed the cryptography package here. So now I'll start using it by using from cryptography. I'm using the for net method. So, yeah, import for net.
So now write down
that. Alright, so now write down a random message to encrypt. Let's say a secret message.
No, I need
here
a key to perform.
No, I need a key to perform the encryption. That's why I'm going to create a key. And
generate key, yes.
Generate key, yes.
Now the key that I'm having here.
Alright, but now the key that I'm having here, right here, is still just a line of numbers. So if I want to use it, I must turn it into a Fernet class object. Right, so call it the Fernet key right here.
Fernet class.
Turn it into a Fernet class.
So now
I
will start to encrypt the message by doing this.
I will start to encrypt the message by doing this. So I will write the encrypt message.
Fernet
equals now Fernet
in
the F key. This is the key that we are going to use to encrypt the message. Right, so message dot encode. No, just jump out. Code.
We're trying to print out the message.
Now we're trying to print out the message
with
to compare it with the encrypt message right here. Right, let's run and see what happens.
Not callable. What do we have here?
Not callable. What do we have here?
Made a mistake.
And
encrypt there.
Made a mistake.
Right.
Alright, encrypt there.
And we don't.
Right, it's looking good. Oh, and we don't need this in Python.
Right, so
it's my old usual thingy.
And
right, so here we have it. The secret message and the encrypt version of it. No one can read that. Alright, now I'd like to decode it. So, decrypt message equals using the F key again, because this is the symmetric symmetric
so we're using the same key.
Encrypt method, so we're using the same key, same thing, message, and decode.
Now print out the decrypted.
Now print out the
message.
Decrypted version of it. Encrypt message, and now we'll see.
Code.
Oh no, there.
No, I want to decode.
Code.
Something wrong.
No, I want to decode this. Something wrong.
Oh, right. I shouldn't be doing this.
Oh, right. I shouldn't be doing this. I'm supposed to put in the message, the encrypt version, not the original, and put the decoding outside like this. Alright, let's try again. Alright, here we have it. The decoded version. Same as the original. Alright, now let's move on to using the asymmetric version. Here in my terminal, I've already installed over here RSA method. So now we're going to import RSA first. Nothing's going on. And now we need let's just create a message. Let's just create a normal message. Same old secret message before.
Asymmetric version of encryption.
Now, because this is the asymmetric version of encryption, so we need a public key and a private key. So now I'm gonna create both of them at the same time with public key, private key, RSA.
Let's just go for
new key.
Just a simple example, so I don't need it to be super
long. Let's just go for 32 right now. It's just a simple example, so I don't need it to be super long or anything. So now that I have the key with me, our encrypted message.
Encrypt the message over there.
Encrypt
and the public key.
The message got over there, and the public key.
I had to say encode.
Like
I
that.
say encode, otherwise nothing's gonna happen.
No, I forgot. I had to say encode. I'm gonna say encode, otherwise
now
nothing's gonna happen. All right.
Message, normal version.
Encode it. Now let's see the
and the encrypt
message,
version.
normal version. And the encrypt version. Let's see what's going on. Oh, errors again. Doesn't call.
Is it requiring a longer encryption message?
Is it requiring a
let's try something.
A longer encryption message.
See if anything difference.
Let's try something longer. Let's see if anything difference.
Is it this one? Is it giving me like gotta be like super long? Yeah, so it gotta be like super long.
Is it this one? Is it giving me like gotta be like super long?
Message
yeah, so it gotta be like super long to
right now we try to
this thing to work. Alright, so message longer, like there. Right now we try to decrypt it. Let's just decrypt message. The RSA again. Now decrypt
version. Give it the private key.
Input the message right here. Encrypt version. Give it the private key. Okay, and now I'd like to decode it.
And it should appear on the screen.
Now we try to print the decoded message, and it should appear on the screen.
And there you have it.
Yeah, there it is. Secret message, longer, decrypted. And there you have it. Few ways to decrypt